Welcome to the DIY3DTech.com channel.
Welcome to this edition of DIY3DTech.com. In this edition we're going to take a look at this power supply I've been telling you guys about for a while. So basically I've had this Radio Shack power supply for about 30 years now. Actually maybe even more, back into the CB radio days of the 70s and that. So basically it's been a great power supply. You can kind of see I've got holes where I've attached CB radios to the top of this many moons ago, etc. But I've been doing a lot of experiments now lately with lasers and USB-based electronics, you know, basically 5-volt stuff, where I've needed to know and been able to have to provide, you know, basically different voltages and also know the current draw. So what I did is I came up with this. So I took this power supply, got this power buck off of eBay for about $10, attached it. So I've got the power running from the inside. So basically I leave the two terminals here still as they were. So if I want to use it for straight 12-volt out, I can. And then I run that into this power buck, and then out of the power buck into these banana clips. So yeah, I've showed some stuff on printing this and some stuff on printing this. Got that on the website. And I'll put the URLs to these. Both of these are up on Thingiverse. And so you can get these. And I also put links to the power buck. I mean, this for $10 is just amazing. And then I've got these off of Amazon. So, you know, the nice part is so they screw out and you can put wires in there and then tighten them down. Or you can use banana clips. It doesn't matter. Now, the only real downside is to adjust, and I don't know if you can see it, I'll try to get it in the light here. There are two multi-turn potentiometers inside there, one to adjust the current and voltage. And so it's kind of a pain. You have to use a small screwdriver to adjust them. But it's not too bad for as much as I use it. And so again, I just use a screwdriver back here. I actually have it over here. I just use a small mini screwdriver like this to adjust the pots, and for most of it, for the lasers especially, it stays about the same. So it's been a real nice configuration, kind of cool looking, and a great reuse of a 30-year-old power supply that was actually just gaining dust in a bin. So again, pretty good use. So if you got any questions, hey, leave them below. Again, I'll put links to all this stuff in the description below. So if you want to get this power buck off of eBay or this off of Amazon, you know, great, you can get them. I'll put links to this carrier on, or housing that I've got up on Thingiverse, and as well as this one for the banana clips. So you can attach this. And again, I've just screwed these down to this. The rubber feet have worn off, so I put some clear ones on the bottom. There's no big deal there. But again, handy little project, made a good reuse. So basically I got about $15 in this whole thing. You know, I've had this power supply for 30 years, so I've gotten more than my money back out of it. And so got an adjustable power supply with a current meter, and this is really important. So I basically use this power supply to set up all my laser diodes, so, and it works really well, and that's again why it's set to the 672 volts right now, because I was just using it to set up a new 1-watt laser diode, which you guys will see in another video. So if you found this interesting, hey, like it below, helps us make more of these videos. Subscribe to this channel. A lot more stuff coming. I'm going to be working on the holiday season over several different projects. I think I'm going to revisit the camera slider and maybe a couple other things over the holidays since I got some time. Also, just yesterday finished the fume extraction and dust collection piping, so I'll have some stuff on that in an upcoming episode. Hopefully that'll be interesting for those of you working to build a home shop, you know, with a diverse set of equipment like CNC and lasers, etc. So anyways, again, like it, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Cheers.